How to fix Snapchat not working, crashing, and login problems. 1. Log out of your account. 2. Check your Snapchat permissions. Turn on the following permissions: location, photos, camera, cellular data, and microphone. Plan B, check app network permissions under the account actions section. 3. Exit then restart Snapchat and / or your phone. Plan B, force stop Snapchat. 4. Check to see if Snapchat server is down. And ensure you have an internet. Connection. Note, you may return on mobile data. Path, settings network and internet SIMs mobile data. 5. Update your Snapchat and phone firmware if possible. For Android users, refer to the IMG below. 6. Clear Snapchat cache. 7. Snaps aren't sending. Leave exiting conversations in Snapchat. Path, settings account actions clear conversations. Furthermore, back up your friends list and clear any unknown IDs in your Snapchat account. 8. Contact Snapchat support. 9. Disable your VPN connection, if any. 10. Snapchat notifications not working? Enable app notification permissions. And allow notification permissions on your phone. 11. Dark theme isn't working on Snapchat? Turn on the match system option in app appearance. 12. Try Snapchat for web or Windows.